Well, welcome, game designers, to Doug Develops. Yes, this is what's it called again? Ninjas vs. Robots. Yeah, I know I'm still Yeah, I know I owe you guys like the quick hack system in Cyberpunk. It's not that I've run into roadblocks. It's literally because I'm developing this game. After, like, I put out Death TV. Hold on, Croucher. Get Croucher and set cam crouching. After, like, I put out the Death TV demo and nobody downloaded it again, I'm officially declaring Death TV a lost cause. I mean, Jesus Christ. Well, whatever. How many people downloaded it? Nobody yet. Serious? Yeah. Why don't you try did you try making a trailer for it? I did, or at least I thought I did, but whatever. Anyway, let me do this. So, you'll see what it is later on. First and foremost, let me see if this guy has a crouch animation. Yes, he does. Cool. But I gotta find a good idol. Oh, ooh, he can block it. Well, okay. But nobody's hitting low. Let me get rid of that guy. Idle. Nope. Crouch. Idle. Fine. I will use that. So let's do this. You got 3 state trees. Yeah. You can switch between 3 different stances. Crouch. State. And... hold on. Crouch. Sword and shield. Crouch. Idle. There you are. Let's go back into here. Plug this in. Go here. Can crouching. God, I miss listening to music right now. I'm surprised you're even doing the Dev Diaries. I thought that was dead. Oh, no, they're not dead. The only reason why I haven't done them in so long is literally because, you know, I'm still in Kansas. It's weird doing recordings with your folks around. I mean, they know what I'm doing, but it's still fucking weird. Let's go back into the item graph. State. Why don't you just copy paste? Fuck you. Crouch. Idle. Sword and shield. Now I have to fucking move this out. So I can... okay, can crouching... come on, is equal to... fuck. True. So can you actually do some moves while you're crouching? I'm going to try. I've never actually did a game. I've done a brawler prototype back in my when I did this for Unity. Why didn't you continue on with it? Cause I didn't have what was the fuck? Hold on. Shit. Crouch state. Because I didn't know what the theme was. I didn't know what the overall tone of the game was gonna be. So you just did ninjas. Oh yeah, ninjas versus robots. Don't bust my balls right now. Besides, the point is like I had it, and then I was just all like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it in UE4. Is this? I also did C++ for it. Hold on. Is equal boolean. Let's make not you, and you have to be true unless that's the false one. Is that the false one? Nope. Good. So not boolean. Okay, this was the gun state. Good. Let's test this. Okay. Nice. Good. I don't like the jankiness. Nah, you're not supposed to. Anyway. What's with that jank? That's because of the animation. I gotta find it. Jesus! Yeah. What? That's something I gotta figure out too. Wait, I thought it was there was a ninja on that. Jesus! Yeah. Okay, so there are like 6 different enemy types. They all borrow from this. They're all part of this one class, Enemy BP, which borrows from this class, Enemy. So it's going to be a side-scroller beat-em-up. Hold on, I will go with... I'll do 0 for now. Why is he waiting there? Animation tree calls for, the animation tree. AI state tree calls for, animation, the state tree calls for it to wait for 3 seconds. I'm gonna actually tone that down a bit. Why didn't you fly back? I'm blocking. Ow. So what can the ninja do? Right now, nothing. Wait, really? Yeah. You can't do anything right now. I mean, like, I have it set up so that way you have a punch combo, kick combo. If you want, you can mix and match your combos. Stance switch. And you can mix and match your combos again. Stance switch. Oh, so you have so you can switch between 3 stances. Yeah, but you can't do anything. Like, I haven't set the damage table up yet. Not for the enemies. For the ninja, that's kind of set up. I still have to do a ton of other things with the enemy. Let's plop this badass back in here. Why don't you make it a full-on, like, I don't know, like a full-on Streets of Rage clone or something? I am hardcore debating that. Like, part of me wants to say yes, another part of me wants to say no, because, like, it's easier to do a Mega Man clone, I guess, but I'm still debating that. I really am. Like, it wouldn't be much of a hassle with Rando Debris making a return. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about that. Right now, I'm just concerned with the prototype. Let me try making a Sky 5. Because, like, seeing as how the evil ninja's on display, might as well just use that. Yep. What's he doing? Switching stances. Ow. And there he is, firing the arrow. He's gonna stance switch again. Unless I didn't... Okay, so his thing's off. He's waiting for 3 seconds. Okay, that's his magical cast. He's doing stance switch again. Are you gonna do melee, or are you just gonna do... Yep, back to magic. Stance switch again. He's going back to his bone arrow. He's aiming. Fires. Stance switch again. You should make the wait time a bit lower. Actually, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. That's your entire state tree? It's gonna be longer, but, like, I'll just put that. I'll put it 0 for now. Fuck it. Okay. Stance switches. He's going back to his ranged. Stance switch. Magic. God, really? You're not gonna do your melee dance? You're not gonna do your melee dance? Melee dance? Melee fucking combo. There, are you happy? Jesus, seriously? Finally! Thank you. Oh my god, that was just 1 in 3 chance, people. 1 in 3 fucking chance. Let's put this back up to 3 seconds. I said let's put this back up to 3 seconds. Why 3 seconds? Oh, because you don't want them attacking, like, non-stop. Though, it is a... Let me put you back down to... Let me put you in 2. Because I think... If, was it 2 or 3 for the... Okay, good. Because I think... Yeah, he's still getting hit with a hitbox. Oh shit! What? It's the hit stun. That actually that does work. Nice. Come on. Hit me again. Ah, never mind. Yeah. Okay. So I gotta do that too. No, I could do what too? When he's hit while crouched, he's still just crouching idle. That means I gotta... I'll have to blend some of the animations. Currently this is the anim graph. It asks which of the stances are there while using a blend pose, so that way it can differentiate between the combo these two combo stances. So one thing I have found out is that there was a lot of animation overlap, and yeah. So thank God I found out about I found out about saved catch poses. So. So what are you gonna do right now? Other than getting the crouch animation up and running, shit. One thing I gotta get started on is I gotta get started on the player damage table. But first I gotta see how I can blend the animations. First I gotta tone down the hitbox. Because the hitboxes, as it stands, you're still getting hit, even while I'm... yeah. See what I mean? Oh, yeah, you are getting hit. So you gotta, like, tone down the hitboxes. So that's gonna be fun. Oh. Anyway, should that be it, in terms of, like... Might as well say, when the fuck is that, Quick hack system thing gonna come out? Shit. What's today? Tuesday? Alright. I am going to make a solemn vow right now. Unless I made that solemn vow before and I broke it. Sorry if I did. Point is, like, I'm gonna make a solemn vow. I will try to come out with the first part of that, which is the set time dilation tutorial, Friday. I am making that solemn vow. Right now, I am just trying to focus on ninjas versus robots. So is that it? How many... Can you show off the other enemy types? Bye. So that's 2. I'll go to 1 because I think that's either the Cybot or someone else. That should be the Cybot though. Yep. Come on, do your stupid barrage. Okay. So that's that. 2 is the Fistabot. 3 should be I think 3 is the Sword Bot. Yep. And he'll have 3 different attacks. 4. Is that the ranged bot? Yep. Why is there no sound? That's because I didn't put in a gunfire sound yet. But if I get close, you should melee. There you go. And there's delay on the hitbox. Yeah. But that's mainly due to the collision. That's mainly because of the there's one of the challenges that I gotta face is I'll show you what I mean. Go back to, for all intents and purposes, let's just say I'll go back to the evil ninja. Let's go back. Let's go here. That. What? Because I thought I had it set so that once you're colliding with that character, you instantly stop. Well, couldn't you just can't you make it on overlap? And then while overlapping said character, just damage. I did, but yeah, I did that, and it wasn't particularly good. Let's just so to speak. But that wouldn't be the end of that. It wouldn't be that difficult. I could just go. You know what? I think I will do that. Just go back to doing that again. No, let's go to custom collision. Pawn overlap. So that should do it. Okay then. Yeah. What? Yeah, that's no big deal. I can just, during the combat function, I can basically say, oh, if the player's not in view, just go back to your, just go back to moving state. Yeah, I think I will do that again. On overlap, just hit. I just didn't like it that much. Whatever. We'll just do it here. Well, you're not going to do it in code? No. Because it's easier just to do it here than it is in code. So I already coded a shitload of crap for this. Except for the AI part. Except for the AI bit. The AI bit, I just used that. I used state tree and all that shit. I didn't hard code the AI. Well, no, I think I should, though. I'll think about it. Either way. That's what I got so far. That's what I got so far. So, take from that what you will. And, yeah, that's what I'm working on. Hopefully I'll be able to, oh yeah, the reason why I'm recording now is because my folks are gone. My mom had to go, I think, to the dentist, and my sister's going with her, so there's that. Either way, that's the way that this particular cookie crumbles. Anyway, I swear to God, I'm making a solemn vow. By Friday, the first part of the quick hack system will be out. Okay, I promise you that. It's just that I was working on this. Since Death TV I'm officially declaring it a lost cause. A link to it if anybody wants to download it. I think it's only like a gig long. It's on Game Jolt. But like I said, I'm working on this 2.5D side scrolling beat 'em up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't even want to call it an alpha. I just want to call it a proof of concept. That's what an alpha is. No, an alpha is something completely different. Because an alpha is not only a proof of concept, it has the general feel of what the game is going to be about. You don't know? I didn't say that. There's going to be like objectives and shit. There's only going to be like 5 stages in this game, and that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to get back into it and screw with the hitboxes because, of course, I fucking have to. I'll see you everyone.